Huh. Um, Guys, I might have to switch cameras. Sometimes OBS doesn't like my webcam. Yeah, so I might. Can't tell if it's gonna act up or not. It seems like it wants to. It really seems like it wants to, like if I get close. I don't know, and it's really white. You know what I mean? Um, yeah, I might just leave it for now. And yeah, we'll see. We'll see, man. I don't know. I don't like how it's. Usually when it wants to act up, what it does. So, you know what? I'm gonna just say screw it, and we're gonna switch the camera right away. So, give me like seconds. I was gonna do this before I started the stream too, but I didn't. Oh yeah, see, there it goes. There, that's what I'm talking about. All right, hold on a second, guys. Okay, I've got to turn this off for a second. See, all right. Oh yeah, nice. Set it up, not too bad either. All right, first try. Okay. All right, you guys can see me. Boom. See the screen. Oh shit. I gotta get up the YouTube chat. Hold up. Bro, not here though. Why is it? Bro, why can I not move this right now? Huh. Okay, hold up. There we go. Okay. Yeah, we're not streaming to Twitch tonight. Honestly, I wasn't even gonna stream to Kick either, just because I've been kind of doing a little looking, and seems like crypto streams and shit don't really get much attention on Kick. Like I was looking yesterday after I streamed. We can go look real quick. So like, yeah, we've got 16 viewers in the entire category right now. You know what I'm saying? Like every crypto stream here has 1 or 2 viewers. You see what I'm saying? So yeah. And I feel like Twitch is gonna be roughly, Twitch is definitely better. Like I think Twitch is usually has a couple thousand. Hold on. Not here. We're gonna go. Yeah, 3,000 on Twitch. I should probably be doing Twitch and Kick, but I decided to do YouTube. I feel like Yeah, man. Honestly, I wouldn't really watch anybody. I wouldn't watch much people on Twitch, bro. Honestly. I'm not like, I don't watch that many streamers though, honestly. I just like to stream, but I don't actually watch many streamers myself. All right, guys, so let's start with the big one, yeah. Look, we'll look at the total crypto market cap right now, and look at this, guys. From 2 days ago, we've had about 150 billion move out of the crypto market. We actually had like 200 billion, almost 200.5 billion from 2 days ago. 1.725 trillion up here, down to 1.5 trillion. Right? So that's essentially $225 billion left the market. But as you can see, there's strong buying powder. There's strong buys here, right? In this area, like you see, let's go down to a smaller time frame and look. You see how quick this got fucking ate up, right? We're on the 1 hour right now. We smashed through the 50, smashed through the 200, even smashed through the 800 and crushed the weekly low. And then what happened? All within the 1 hour time frame, right? This is, look. So we'll start it here when London opens, right? 1.7 trillion shortly after London opens. 1 hour goes by and we're at 168 trillion, 1.68 trillion. Next hour goes by, we close at 1.64 trillion. Next hour goes by, we close at 1.6 trillion. So this is tens of billions of dollars. Basically, in these 3 hours, right here, we had, so basically 3 hours, you had $200 billion. $200 billion leave the crypto market in 3 hours. But yeah, you can see how quick this wick got ate up, right? Like we dropped from 1.64 trillion to 1.5 trillion. And then back up to 1.6 trillion. So we literally had almost 150 billion leave the market in 1 hour, and then 100 billion re-enter the market in the same hour. Like, yeah, man, this is, bro, you think this is retail traders coming to the chart and selling their shit? No, man. This is market makers. This is market maker manipulation, bro. We all know these markets are manipulated. The stock market's manipulated. The Forex market's manipulated. It's all manipulation, bro. But yeah, as you can see, this area right here is where this is getting ate up though, right? See what I mean? There's liquidity in this zone. And what does this wick tell us? It tells us that people are buying in the zone. You know what I'm saying? This is where people are really putting their money back in. So let's go to a monthly chart. You see this stupid little drawing I have here? Basically, I drew this out in 2020 or 2022. I drew this out. It was either late 2021, or it was like early 2022 when I drew this. But it played out so well, man. It played out so well. I actually had this a little bit lower, I think, but basically played out. It's been playing out, man. You know what I mean? Like, We're coming up. One more year left, man. 2025 is probably going to be the year where we see significant moves to the upside. I mean, if history repeats, right? 2017, 2021, right? This is all 2017. This is all 2020, 2021. You know what I mean? So if by terms of the cycle, right, this potentially could be the start of the next one, but it will not come without retraces. And man, a lot of people are like losing their shit over this. But understand, man, they do this shit. They put out the news in a specific way because they want you to respond to the news emotionally. And like the news is almost put out. A lot of the news is also manipulated. And sometimes they'll just use the news as an excuse for the move. You know what I mean? Because they need a reason to justify this move. So they'll put out some weird bit of news to justify the move. But this is a liquidity sweep. Look at the zones we've had on Bitcoin. Look at the zones we've had here. We've been having these zones here, man. Look at ETH. We've been having these fucking zones on ETH. Right? We've been having these on ETH. So yeah, the M played out, but didn't really play out the way we thought. It was a lot more quick and aggressive than I thought it was going to be. As you can see, here's my M play we drew out the other day. But I was kind of thinking we were going to stop in this zone right here and kind of play around in there a bit, maybe come back out of it, and then continuation to the downside. But yeah, we really just smashed through all these zones on ETH. And I do have a hedge on ETH, like I have a short position on ETH. But yeah, I haven't sold any ETH or anything. I haven't sold any Bitcoin. Also, look at this line. We put these lines on a monthly chart, man. Right? These are significant points in the chart. All right. Now, basically, if we continue to the downside, this could potentially be a strong area of support right here. This, as of right now, this could be effectively our trading range for the next couple months. So we're talking between 37,000 and 45,000. Right? We know what game we're in, guys. We know what game this is. This is a volatile market. And yeah, man. But like, dude, people shitting their pants about this. Right? Look what we've had for the past few months. Right? Like, look at what we've had all year. And then we fucking get this. And people lose their shit. Right? But same thing here, man. People were losing their shit on this. People were losing their shit here. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, man. We get a move like this, and then people lose their shit on this. We get this, people lose their shit on this. And then we get this, and people lose their shit on this. You know what I mean? No matter what, no matter how much we go up, right? Bitcoin, we're at like 16,000 to fucking 45,000. And then we come down to 41 and people lose their shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like it's nothing, man. It's really fucking nothing. Especially if you're in it for the long game. You know what I mean? It's nothing. Also, look at Bitcoin. Perfect top to the 50-day. Right down here to grab all this liquidity. They're coming down here. As the price is coming down, man, you guys got to remember, like, orders are getting filled. Orders are getting filled here. Orders are getting filled here. Orders are getting filled here. This blue zone, big fucking orders got filled right here. You know what I mean? That's why we snapped back so quick. That's why we snapped out of that zone so quick, right? 1 hour from almost from 44, 43, 750, 4750, right? We lost 3,000 in an hour, and then we went right back up 2,000. You know what I mean? What does that tell you? Now, as for the future, I could expect them to possibly recover this wick, but if this move down is going to be a validation or a continuation to the upside, like, and they're coming down and hitting the 50. They're just bringing price back into the frame, right? They can't keep it so, they can only keep it so extended for so long. You know what I mean? And as you get to the bigger time frames, it's the same thing, right? Like here, this is a weekly though. You can stay extended from the 50 on the weekly for years, literally years, right? But eventually you're going to come back to the 50, right? Even this move, boom, back to the 50. And then we come up here, back to the 50, and then under. Once price is kind of under the 50-day, and we're getting resistance on these 5 and 13 right here, then we can talk about being bearish. You know what I mean? Because as long as price is above the 50-day and we're getting support on the 50-day, we're not really bearish, right? Yeah, if we look on a monthly, let's actually go, I guess we can just see it here. But on a monthly, yeah, we're way above the 50 on the monthly. But if we actually look at a full chart, let's go. Bitstamp's gonna have a full chart. On the monthly, we don't go below the 50 very often, right? This was kind of that first initial 2013 pump, right? Came back down, support on the 50 right here, 2015, and then 2015 is kind of when it kicked off, right? And that's 2015, the pump started, that ended in 2017. You know what I'm saying? 2015, the pump started, and it didn't stop until 2017. Right? So think about that, guys. Literally fucking think about that. Right? It started October 2015. And it didn't end until, you know what I'm, like, over 2 years later. This one, we could almost say, well, we can't say January 2023. Well, the beginning of 2023, we kind of started to get this. We came up, broke through the 50 here, getting support on the EMAs, and then we come back to the 50, support here, and then bounce. Right? Now we're getting support on the 5. But also, guys, look at this, man. Look how extended we are from the 5-day on the monthly. That's why this zone right here, 37.50, 37.750, is not really unreasonable to come back to. And it's not really a reason to panic if we come back to this EMA. You know what I mean? Which is going to be, I think, the weekly. Yeah, it's the 13-day on the weekly, the 5-day on the monthly. Yeah, the 5-day on the monthly is going to be the 13-day on the weekly, or close to it at least. But Yeah, man. Like if we're, especially if we're above these two, like we've got no worries. Not really until we start falling below these and we start getting resistance on them instead of support. Like as you can see all along here, all of these weeks, man, since we bounced off the 50 right here, support on the 5. This one we never came back to the 5, right? But this one basically support on the 5. Here we got to tap to the 5. Here we got to tap to the 5. Here support on the 5. Support on the 5. 5, 5, 5. You see what I'm saying? And we've only kind of fell below it right here. But look how much we've got back so far. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, I wouldn't start panicking or dumping your bags or anything just yet. Yeah, I did take some more profits on Solana, to be honest. But Solana, same thing, man. We're just coming back into the frame. We might Solana, we are below the 5 and the 13 on a daily. I think Bitcoin and ETH were probably too, yeah. We're below the 5 and 13 on the daily. ETH, we're way below it. The EMAs are actually starting to point down right now, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see, man. ETH just smashed those fucking zones, man. Look at that. Right? Like ETH. Yeah, man. ETH had a strong fucking push all the way to 2100. And that's a psychological level, man. That's kind of why we didn't really make it into these zones, because 2100 is going to be a psychological level. So yeah, the move didn't quite play out the way we thought it was. It was a lot more quick and aggressive, but we still got that M. The M still played, man. You know what I mean? The M still played. And then if we go down real close, we go down real close. Look at this. This is London, man. London dropping it down. Boom. US brings down again, then up. New York kind of just playing around with it. Giving it the old VWAP. Right? They're just kind of playing in between these two zones right now. Filling in the gaps. Yeah. This is a 15-minute. So yeah, man, I wouldn't be panicking or anything just yet, guys. Realistically, yeah. Not really too worried about much just yet, but there's a lot of things I want to see. If this is a confirmation of a move to the upside, which it could be, man, especially a fast move. The fast move is the false move, man. You know what I mean? Not all the time, but a lot of times. Because guys, think about it. This is not retail traders coming through the charts and just selling their fucking Bitcoin. This is the market makers, man. This is pure manipulation. Retail traders aren't coming to the charts and just dumping their shit like that. You know what I mean? Everybody coming at the same time and everybody selling in 1 hour and then buying it fucking back. You think retail's got fucking $200 billion to move price like this? You know what I mean? Come on, man. That's big money if that makes moves like that. Retail traders don't fucking make waves like this, bro. Only big money does. But yeah, we'll see, man. We'll see. Because this, like, just how they hit this zone to a T too. They're coming down, liquidating longs. There's been like 400 million in long liquidations or something. Yeah, and you know what? This is all it took, man. Was this fucking article. Literally, this fucking article. I don't even think 553 MST. Yeah. Yeah, That article, literally, that's all it fucking takes, man. And SEC chair Gensler, this guy is a fucking piece of shit too, bro, is not embracing crypto in the US. And it might even be a very long shot to expect that he would vote to approve Bitcoin spot ETFs, Matrix Port said. Like this, I don't think I buy it, man. I think there's too much big money involved. BlackRock, you got JP Morgan. JP Morgan was talking shit about Bitcoin like fucking a month ago. And now he's like gonna be like a key player in BlackRock's ETF. And yeah, man, like I don't buy it. And honestly, if it doesn't really, like, I don't buy it, man. And basically, I don't think it'll be completely rejected. They don't approve it, it's going to be like, let's have another meeting and see what we can do to get this approved. You know what I'm saying? It's not just going to be like, yeah. Yeah, I don't buy it, man. But this is a piece of news to try to excuse this fucking move in the charts. You know what I'm saying? Like, that is the piece of news to fucking make an excuse for this move. Right? Look at the zones they hit, man. Long's fucking liquidated. Where is it? $400 million liquidated in 2 hours. What's a market maker's job, guys? The market maker's fucking job is to liquidate your positions. The market maker's job is to collect liquidity. You know what I'm saying? Like, their job is to hit your stop losses, collect your liquidity, make you fucking panic sell on a little down move like this. So then you miss out on the up move after. Or you have a long position you opened here, anywhere here, right? You open a long here, it's going up. Most retail traders wouldn't really know this is a key zone right here. And then they just sharp move down while you're sleeping, liquidate the long position you opened over here. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is not by chance, man. This is by design. Charts don't fucking move on their own, man. Somebody has to make them move. You know what I'm saying? Somebody has to make them move. And even this zone right here, if we do continue to the downside, this is an area that I would think about buying again, potentially, right? I would really like for things to get kind of back here or even down here. You know what I mean? I don't know if we'll get that low again, but these are areas that I would really consider buying a lot more. But for right now, this will kind of be your next key area for support if we break through the 50 on the daily and we keep falling. You know what I mean? This should be a strong level of support. And yeah, as you can see, guys, like, we put this line here on a monthly chart. So basically the way you find these zones, it's really fucking simple. It's honestly really simple. So you basically, wherever price is right now, so price is right here, okay? So you look on a monthly chart, you put a line at the closest, you find the closest green candle that's not like, that doesn't include the month we're in. So you find the closest green candle, which would be this one right here. Not green on this chart, but it's a green candle. And then, yeah, you just put a line at the bottom of the green candle, and then you find the closest red candle that's in between price. So it's not going to be this red candle. You know what I mean? It's not going to be this. It's not going to be this red candle here, right? Because price is not in between here and here. You kind of get what I'm saying? So you find the closest red candle wherever price is trading between. So which would be here. This is the closest red candle that's above price right now. You get what I'm saying? So the closest green candle, we put a line at the bottom of it on the monthly. It has to be done on a monthly chart, guys. And this mostly only works with high liquidity pairs. Yeah, when you kind of get into the alts and stuff, it's a little bit more chaotic, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But like Bitcoin and ETH, it's, yeah, BNB, it works really good on. So yeah, kind of once price is in this zone, so we're here, you find the closest red candle and you put a line at the top, the open, not the top of the pin, the open. You put a line there. And then you have basically effectively a trading range, right? And it's going to be between this red line and this green line. Right? And that could be a potential trading range for big money. And like really simple way to do it. Really easy. And I use it a lot for like longer term short positions and longer term long positions. But yeah, and you can see, right, what fucking happened as soon as we touched it with Bitcoin, right? We touched it, went a little bit above it, but essentially what happened? We hit it, and then boom, right back down. Now, this could be a liquidity sweep, right? So they're just sending price down, liquidating longs. Like I said, guys, 400 million long liquidations in 2 hours. Right? And like, bro, it's just because one company says it expects the SEC to reject all ETF applications this month. That's all it fucking took, man. That's literally all it took. So like, you gotta understand how volatile this is. And literally, like, Elon Musk can make a fucking tweet, a stupid ass fucking tweet, and basically do this, right? This move right here, this because Elon Musk said Tesla is no longer accepting Bitcoin. Boom. Literally, that's what fucking that move is. Elon Musk makes some fucking stupid tweet about how he doesn't like Bitcoin anymore, and then boom. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. Always trade carefully, man. Trade responsibly, and just know what you're getting into. Right? If a move like this is going to shake you out, bro, then these aren't the markets for you. Right? Given we haven't had a move down like this in a while. Right? Last time we had a move down like this was like way back here. You know what I mean? Here. This is also what I'm talking about, man. Look. Right? This move, what are they doing? They're sending price down, liquidating longs, hitting stop losses, picking up orders, collecting liquidity, right? Because everybody sees it going up. People are opening longs here. They're opening longs here. They're opening longs all the way through here. Keeps going up. And then what do? They turn it around, hit everyone's stops, collect their liquidity, liquidate their positions, and then boom, they shift it out of the zone so quick. Right? This is all fucking to fuck over retail traders, man. Like, oh, they all think the market's going to go long, and it is. So let's fucking get them, let's shake them out of their trades or liquidate their positions or blah, blah, blah. Right? So they do that, liquidate hundreds of millions of dollars, and then the real move happens. You know what I mean? Everyone thinks it's gonna go up, and it is. But first, we ain't gonna let you guys get a piece of this. Boom, liquidate. They're just forcing everybody out of their trades, and then boom, moves up even quicker than the first time. You see what I'm saying, guys? So like, you have to keep this in mind, man. So you could also think of this. This could be a validation of a move to the upside, but what I would really like to see from Bitcoin, man, is it, yeah. If we can hold this zone, you know what I mean? If we can hold this zone, we can stay on top of the 50 on the daily. Yeah, if we can really hold this zone and stay above 40,000, yeah, then I would be convinced for a move to the upside. But as it stands right now, we've got a ways to go, right? But we could essentially just see a V shape here too, right? Or it looks like Sydney's trying to push us back up into this zone, right? We could get a oh my god, why can't I fucking say this? V-shaped recovery. Maybe we'll even play around in here for a bit. And then really what you want to see with this line right here is you want to see price break out of this line, come back and test it as support, essentially to keep moving up, right? But if we come back here and get rejected again, might be confirmation of a move down. Yeah, man. So you've always got to keep like this stuff in mind, guys. And one thing about me, man, I'm never gonna tell you for certain like which direction I think it's gonna go in, because I don't want to get fucking sued. Right? What you guys do with your money is your responsibility, not mine. Yeah. And if you make a bad trade, or you make a trade based on something I said, and you lose money, I am not fucking responsible, man. I'm not responsible for what you do with your money. But with that being said, if you would have took a trade on this fucking M that I drew out, you would have fucking made money. Honestly, though. Honestly. But, guys, I'm just giving you my opinion, right? I'm not really telling you. I'm just giving you my opinion and telling you what I see. Right? Also, if we look at ETH on a bigger time frame too, you would just load up. And I actually took it off there because I just have so much shit going on in this fucking chart now, man. I really gotta clean it up a bit. But if we look on a bigger time frame, like a daily chart here, I did have this drawn out for a bit, but yeah. So we've effectively got an M that's retraced down to there. And now we're kind of coming up into here. We're coming back up into the zone by the looks of it. But if ETH continues down, this will kind of be your next area. Right here. If we kind of continue down, break through here, and pass this wick, if they recover this wick, they may just end up sending it back to this zone, which is around in the 2000s, low 2000s at the bottom end. Yeah. And then you effectively have more zones right here too, right? But you could see it even drop into this one. So let's go out to a monthly. Let me Let me just get rid of some of this, man. It's helpful to have all these things on the chart, but yeah, sometimes it just makes it a bit messy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, guys, and as you can see, these purple boxes are kind of zones on a bigger scale. Like when we go down into the hourly, you can see I have a shitload of these zones drawn out, right? Like all the way to way back here. This one actually got moved. Sometimes shit just moves when I'm like trying to drag the screen around. But yeah, look at how they played these two zones right here. Right? Like, you guys think this is retail traders coming to the fucking chart and making these moves? Give me a fuck shit break, bro. Give me a fucking break. But yeah, Goldman Sachs eyeing, like I said, guys, right? This comes out fucking this morning. Matrix Port says some fucking weird shit. And yeah, and then it's immediately followed by this fucking move to the downside right here, right? And now look, literally like 5 hours later, Goldman Sachs eyeing Bitcoin ETF roll via BlackRock and Grayscale sources. You know what I'm saying? And then right here, 4 hours after this fucking shit, will we see a 98% chance in approval in the next couple weeks and a high likelihood of a Bitcoin rally to fall. Like, you see what I fucking mean, man? Like, they'll put out a stupid fucking piece of news like this, and then this happens, and then right after, as soon as you panic sell your shit down here, how many fucking traders you think panic sold shit right here on this fucking move right here when they broke this zone, right? How many people you think started to fucking panic when they broke this zone and sold their shit on this fucking wick in the fucking 15 minutes that it was here for? They sold their shit, got scared, got shooken out, and then what happened? Boom. Fucking right back up. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, these moves are... Yeah, man. These moves are not by chance, bro. All right. So we've got some news coming out tomorrow. Or today. Today we had the JOLTS jobs openings. We got FOMC. Let's see, tomorrow we've got mortgage approvals, M4 money supply, GBP, calendar job cuts, ADP, non-farm employment change, unemployment claims. Yeah, so some news coming out tomorrow that could potentially affect the market, but yeah, guys, I wouldn't start panic selling your shit right now, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, fuck, dude. These fucking guys, man, they put out this fucking shit in the news just to do it, man. Like, honestly, I would not be surprised whatsoever if we just end up getting a V-shaped recovery. We come back and smash this, and then we just keep fucking going, right? Bitcoin and ETH. It's gonna essentially look the same on both, right? Like, it's already starting to look like a V-shaped recovery, right? We got the big V coming into play. Maybe we'll kind of come up and do a tattoo, right? A tattoo. And then we'll come right back into this zone. And then, yeah, like I was saying, essentially, we want to see a break through this red line that we have here. Find support on it. And then keep it fucking pushing. right? But if we do get this V-shaped recovery, guys, if we do end up getting a V-shaped recovery, this would probably be our confirmation of another move to the upside. Right? And it's starting to look like that might play out. You know what I'm saying? That might play out. We might not even play around in this zone at all. We might just go straight into this zone. Or we might just smash through that too. You know what I'm saying? But this is a potential move that might play out, guys. Right? We could see that V-shaped recovery. Or another possibility is we come down to the V, we come back up into this zone perhaps, play around in here, hit an M, play around here, and then head down this way, right? But yeah, guys, yeah, the M played. And that M formation came in a lot more aggressive than I thought it would, though. Solana, man, look at that. 85 bucks. Boom. Fuck, I didn't even know it hit 85 bucks until just now, bro. But yeah, if we don't see a V-shaped recovery on Solana, man, I would not be surprised if they come recover this wick. Would not be a shocker to me at all. But also, look, guys, right here. There's a little fucking zone, liquidity zone right here. Right? You see these candles? All right here. What's happening in these candles? These wicked candles right here. Trades are being placed, man. People are buying. People are selling. Right? It's an area of interest. Look at how the wick comes and hits this zone. See what I mean? Like, we draw out these boxes for a reason, man. For a reason. Because where price likes to play, right? Price likes to stop in certain areas and play around. There's a good chance we'll see it come back there. Right? And we go up to the bigger time frames. Probably more see something like that. But this could be, yeah, man, if we keep coming down with Solana and we don't get support on the 50-day, yeah, we could see 75, 67. And then if we break through there, what else? We've got another one right here. You get what I'm saying? Honestly, this blue line right here would be my buy zone for Solana, for buying more Solana. I sold a little bit more Solana last night, and yeah, I might pick up half of what I sold last night if we come back into this zone, but I'm not looking to buy any more Solana here. Cardano, same thing. Every chart is going to look the same, man. When something dumps, man, every chart is going to look the same. You know what I mean? AVAX, not quite the same, but the same. You know what I mean? We still have that vector, that red vector, the top on the 50-day. XDC, I did open a position on XDC. And yeah, I put some more in around 5.25. So basically around here. I've been dollar costing average or DCAing into this position. Yeah, so I've been just topping up little bits into it. Yeah, like the first bit I put in was, yeah, honestly, my original entry was not very good. So if we come out to a weekly time frame, I kind of put my entry on the break of this zone right here. I basically took an entry here and then I was up on it. And then, yeah, we came right back down. But this is more a long-term play anyway, so I'm not super worried about it. I mean, I saw this happen. I've kind of been waiting for it. I really tap on the 50-day would have been ideal, but yeah, I did not buy it. I saw this tap, saw it come up, come back down. I saw this tap, and essentially what I was thinking is we had this drop into a W, right? W comes up, breaks this zone, and this is where I started entering. Now, as we came down, like I said, I just added more to my position, 52.5, I think. Around there anyway, so W could still play out, guys. Could still play out, but yeah, I'm kind of betting on this to run again. Like, it had a little run, but nothing compared to some other stuff. If we go this move right here, we went from 3 cents to 6 cents, or 9 cents, I guess, sorry. Yeah. And then we came back to 4.5. Right? And then basically I watched it a little bit. I entered on the break of this. So like, man, sometimes you're not gonna always, you're not gonna place a trade and just boom, start making money right away, right? Sometimes we enter too soon, or yeah, we could have waited and got a better entry, but this is why like dollar cost averaging is kind of the move. I also did get rid of my LRC the other day too. I entered it at like 20 something cents, 20 cents, 21 cents. And I ended up exiting my position on it at 31 cents. Yeah. And I kind of used my LRC to get into XDC. But yeah, let's go have a look at BNB. Oh, see, this is what I mean, man. Moving these fucking lines when I'm just trying to like move the chart around. Right? Same thing on BNB. Really, BNB also big wick to the lows and then recovery. But yeah, guys. Also for BNB, this is the top end of a trading range for BNB. Was or is, this is kind of, so we're kind of, this was the last one. Top of the last red, bottom of the last green would be here now. And then, yeah, bottom of the last green, and then the top of the last red. Currently, it would be up here. Right? These lines I had on there were a bit older. That's why it was over here. I haven't traded BNB in a while, honestly, just because all the shit that's been, like, they're getting, like, sued by the SEC and, like, fucking all this shit's been going on. So I kind of been staying away from BNB. Although we drew out this fucking move before it happened, and I should have took a trade on it, but yeah, we did not make that happen. And yeah, definitely missed out. But again, guys, like monthly chart, man, these zones are fucking important. Right? On a lot of the alts, it's a lot more, yeah, it's a lot more risky, and like it doesn't really always play out the same with the alts. But when it's talking like top 5, yeah, they're essentially good zones. We can try it on Solana. Honestly, I don't think I've really. So for Solana right now, it would be here, bottom last green. right? And top of the last red, or the closest red. This one should not be green though. This should be red. This one could be green. Yeah, and essentially Solana's doing the same thing, right? Solana's hitting the top of this line and then pulling back. Solana is really fucking extended low, guys. This is kind of why I took more money out of Solana. Just yeah, I've already done pretty good on it. So I mean 20%. 20% is not that bad. You know what I mean? I still got lots left and I made good money, right? Yeah. But yo, let's turn it down a notch for a little bit. We'll get into some Pixel. Cause yeah, honestly, I've kind of been neglecting it for the past few hours. And we gotta do our rounds. Oh shit, who's this? Seems like they're not here. Oh yeah, that's my homie. Yeah, that's homie that was on stream yesterday. But we have done a lot on this today, honestly. Let me throw these planks in here. What do I have to grow right now? Oh, we have pop berries. I mean, we could drop the pop berries. Just for, gits and shiggles. Gits and shiggles. And then just kind of to get rid of the seeds. All right, those are going. Yeah, I don't know if I told you guys, but I added 6 more the other day. Yeah, as you can see, I really went to work making iron bars today. I had like 200 and something ironite, so I really went to town with the iron bars. And yeah, basically each one of these shrapnels are 3 iron bars a piece. Literally 3 iron bars a piece. So yeah, 18 times 3. Let's see. I want to just check it out. 18 times 3. 54 iron bars I made today. And then I made the shrapnel. And I'd done quite a few grumpkin loaves and stuff as well. Alright, we cleared that up. Don't have much energy to play with right now. But we will figure out something. We're gonna need more cooking mix. We actually need to make this sacks of flour too, so I'll put that on before anything else. Yeah, we'll do that, and then we're gonna go do our rounds. Basically, we're gonna come here. Hit our 2 mines. Then we're gonna go over here, hit another mine. And yeah, just having 4 mines too, man, that's really been like, that's why I have so much iron to play with now. And then we're gonna go to Terravilla and do all our other stuff. You'll hit the honey. Go grab our eggs. I've actually been burning through some eggs because like the eggs have been piling up, man, but I've been doing a lot of cooking recently. No Seltsam egg, unfortunately. There's our last mine. And we've got the silk slug left. So we will go hit that. Fuck, it's 8 o'clock already, bro. Woof. Silk slug done. Yeah, right now we're gonna go sell these loaves. Yeah, we're gonna sell the loaves, and I'm probably gonna sell the shrapnel too. Yeah. Yeah. And then we're gonna make some more loaves once the flowers are done. So I think shrapnel, it's like the same on the P2P market. Shrapnel. Yeah, we're getting 30.26. Let's see what the fee is. If it's not worth the fee, then it's not worth it. So we'll go 32.26. Do all of them. Basically, the fee has to be less than 2 berry. 3 berry or less. Yeah, it's not worth it. I think we get more rep for doing that, but yeah, I'll do this instead. Then we'll get a 540. Boom, that's gone. The loaves we can't sell on the P2P market for some reason, so we just have to sell them here. That's 576 for those. Now we need to buy some cooking mix. We got 32 of these, so we'll need 16 total. I have 6. Let's just get another 14. Okay. And then I just started getting sap too from the trees, which is cool. I need to get the slime from the slug though, which I think the slugger needs to be level 2 before you get slime. Unfortunately for me. But we're basically out of seeds for everything. This is what I'm gonna do. We're gonna get we'll do 60 rainbows. I'll do another 30 of these. Maybe I should do 60 as well. We'll keep it 30 for now. Get another 30 grumpkins. The water mints, I have enough. I'm just gonna do the water mints at night before bed. Just trying to think what else should I get, if I should get anything else. I think that's all we're gonna take for right now. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's all we're gonna take right now. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we're going with, man. And the reason I got more rainbows is because I want to do, we should actually get another 10 cooking mix too. So I want to do some grain shine. And the grain shine takes 24 rainbows. But I need, actually we could do a potberry wine as well. Maybe we'll get actually 10 more cooking mix too. Yeah. All right. Yeah, we can do the potberry. We have enough for one. That's gonna take 1 minute. While we're waiting for this, I'm gonna be right back. All right, guys. Apologies. I had to put some tea on and eat one of these apples just for some moisture. Man, my throat gets sore when I talk about this shit though, hey? Um, All right. I think we're planned up enough to go back. And yeah, the water mint. The water mints I'm gonna do before I go to bed or when I wake up in the morning, but I'm gonna get another around 10 after 10. So in 2 hours, I'm gonna get another 400 energy. But for right now, we're gonna plant these rainbows. And we're gonna hit those with the water. Boom. Yep. So those will be done in an hour. This flower is done. We have 8 more. But we only have enough grumpkins to do 15 loaves. So we're just gonna make 4 singular flowers. Cooking experience, we're gonna need to make like 30 more loaves to level up cooking again. Which is a bit, man. 30 loaves is basically 90 grumpkins. Yeah. So after this, we'll still need another like... Yeah. We'll still need a bit, so I should have just bought 60 grumpkins, honestly. Man, this shit is... These apples are good. Okay, I'll make another one of those. Look at that, man. Solana coming right back up. We're above the 13. Look at that, man. Fuck. Hong Kong opens. Boom. They're bringing it right back up here. Yeah, so if we see Solana break through this zone, this is a 1 hour time frame. So if we see them break this right here, essentially what you want to see, you want to see them break through these EMAs, come back, find support on the EMAs, and then continue up. One sec, guys. I gotta go pour my tea. But yeah, we'll see, man. We'll see if we get any of these V-shaped recoveries. Yeah, we'll see. We will see what happens. Right? And like essentially you're looking for the V on the 4-hour. Right? That's where we would get the V if we get it. But yeah, we'll see how Asia does. Yeah, Asia's just getting into the charts. So yeah, we'll see. On a 1-hour though, Bitcoin, we are above the 5 and the 13 again, which is good. Usually you want to see the 5 cross the 13, and then you want to see the resistance on the 5 and 13 flip to support, right? So the 5, the yellow, is going to cross the red. It works in both directions, right? Like usually price is going to play around a bit. Like here, right? Like we're getting resistance on the 5 here. And then the 5 crosses the 13. We're still getting that resistance on the 5, 13. We cross back up. But there's going to be a point where the 5 is going to cross. And then it's going to make that move, right? But they're always going to play around with it a bit. But essentially, when the 5 crosses the 13, like here, you see the 5 cross the 13, green vector come into play, right? You're getting support on the 5, boom. Support on the 13. Now they're gonna, like here, V-shaped recovery, man. Right? This is essentially a stop run. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. There's liquidity here. Right? There's liquidity here. There's people that open trades in this little order block here on the 1-hour, right? What do? They're sending price up. And then what happens? What happens, man? Price is going up. We are seeing resistance on the 200 here, but they send it back down, liquidate these people, hit their stops, shake them out, and then you have a V, boom. This is called, like, really this move is called the VWAP. It's kind of when they just send it back and forth like that. But eventually, oh my God, eventually 5 crosses the 13. We got support on the 5, right? We cross the 200. We get support on the 13 here. And then 50-day crosses the 200. And you see the support, but this is just how the EMAs work, man. Like, yeah, there's going to be a lot of times where you're going to see like shit like this, like, oh, it's just about to cross and then it comes back. Or if they're just kind of playing back and forth, it's going to cross. But even here, right, it's coming down, doesn't quite get there, comes down. Finally here, the 5 cross the 13. We've got support on the 5, support on the 13, and then we start moving in the other direction. What happens here? 5 cross the 13. Now we're getting resistance on the 5 and the 13, right? Look at that. The cross is here. You get support, you move up. Then you come back down, you come up into this zone, you come back down, 5 cross the 13. Now you're getting resistance on these EMAs. You come back down and you're having resistance on these EMAs the whole time, right? Until it flips and then you have support on them. See what I'm saying? But whichever direction price is traveling, right? These EMAs are either going to act as support or resistance every time frame, man. Right? Here's a 4-hour. 4-hour time frame, right? Right here. We're getting resistance on these EMAs. 5 crosses the 13 right here. Now you're getting support. You kind of come back down. The 5 doesn't really cross on the way down, but we come down. We got support on the 50, which is the most significant EMA. And then you continue. Support on the 5, right? Support on the 5 all the fucking way up. You see what I'm getting at though, right? Like, if you just put these EMAs on your fucking chart and just go look and go back in time and see how price reacts around these EMAs, right? When you get extended, you're eventually going to come back, right? It works on every time frame, man. Every time frame, right? Extension from the 50-day. Sometimes they'll just play with price until the 50-day catches up. But one way or another, it's always going to come back. Or here, right? Gets extended. They kind of play with it here for a bit, but eventually it shifts back to the 50-day. Right? This is on the daily chart. Works on every fucking time frame though, man. Every single time frame. Here's a daily extension back to the 50, extension back to the 50. Same with the 5 and the 13, right? We go way back here, right? We got the cross here, and then we're going down. Coming back up, we 5 cross the 13 here. Now these are acting as support, right? Look how we just climb those fucking EMAs, man. Look, literally the whole bull run. This is on a weekly. Every week, we're using that 5-day as support. Except for right here, we're using the 13 a little bit. But you see what I mean? And then eventually, look, you get so extended from the 50-day, everything gets fanned out and you're super extended. Boom, price comes back into the frame. Right? And of course, there's gonna be news, somebody gonna say something fucking weird, and they're gonna use that news as an excuse. But look, way back here, this works with stocks, currency pairs. It literally works with every fucking thing you can trade, guys. Literally, right? Look at any fucking chart. These EMAs are always going to be important and significant, right? Solana extended huge. Look how fucking extended Solana was. We're way the fuck up here. 50 days at $86, but prices up at $255. You know what I mean? You fucking like $200. You're so far away from that, right? It just ran up so quick and then boom, drops right back to the 50. You get my point though. I hope you do anyway. I hope you do, man. Yeah, we got this popberry wine. We'll get a couple 100 berry for that. Or we could drink it. We can get like 77 energy if we drink it. But yeah, I'm trying not, like, I have the VIP now, honestly, so I'm trying not to use that much food for energy. I'm just trying to accumulate money right now, and there's a few resources that I've been trying to accumulate just because I know I'm gonna need like planks and bricks and stuff like that eventually to build more on my land. Because yeah, I want to put mines on here. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff I want to do this land, man. And I have been trying to add plots of dirt too, but every plot of dirt is like 500, right? Literally every plot of dirt is like 500. I'm not gonna cut these trees. I would like to, but yeah, I don't want to spend that energy. Okay, last flower we gotta make. And then we've got a lot of cooking to do, guys. A lot of cooking. These grain bows, I'm probably gonna end up making the grain chine with it. And then we'll plant another round of grain bows. And the second round of grain bows will be for tomorrow. And they will basically be, yeah, to make more grumpkins or to make more loaves. All right, this is almost done. Yeah, my homie's been farming here, so I've been getting some extra shit. Like, yeah, some stuff. Basically, yeah, guys, come on down to my farm, man. If you guys are watching, you playing Pixels. If you're not, what the fuck are you doing? If you are, come on down to 4676, man. We got trees. We got fuck shit dirt. We got woodworking. There's a stove in the house. And we got a windmill. I don't have a chicken coop, but we got some stuff, man. But yeah, basically, whenever you guys use my farm, I get bonus stuff in here. So yeah, please feel free to come down and use my farm, bro. Did we grab that flower? We must have, yeah. 16, yeah, okay, we did. Yeah, right now it's gonna kind of be a boring bit, guys, so we're gonna try to do other shit as we do this. I'm basically gonna do this. We're gonna kind of have this going on the side here. Oh. Okay, Cookie Man ornament. So I want to see what we get next. Hold on, let's... So the Scarlet Pie comes at level 12. Oh, woof. I thought we would get an unlock at level 10, but it seems not. Yeah, it seems like we don't. Woof, man. Woof. Yeah, so I'll be making actually Grumpkin loaves for a long time. In order to get to the Scarlet Pie. Think about that, bro. I need to get 3 more levels. It's gonna take me like... It's gonna take me like 60 more Grumpkins and 60 more Grainbows to get to level 10. So it's probably gonna take me like 200 more Grumpkins, 200 more Grainbows, or more to get my cooking up that much more. Unfortunately, Beverage Master seems to go up a lot quicker just because like you get way more experience for making wine for some reason than cooking. And yeah, cooking, you don't really make any extra money from cooking. Yeah, unfortunately. But yeah, Fear Ingredient Index is at 67, which is great. Yeah, I can dig it, man. Bonk. All right, let me open this up a little bit. There we go. So, categories, Solana ecosystem, BRC. Yeah, man, BRC has been, this is basically Bitcoin smart contracts. And, oh, woof, guys. I'm so glad I didn't buy this when I found out about it. I was looking at this it's made a really good recovery, though. It would have been nice to pick some up earlier. But yeah, I was looking at buying this. It was like 1 cent. It was literally like basically here. And I'm like, should I buy it? Should I buy it? I'm like, nah, wait. This could potentially be a good area for it to kind of bounce back from. The community, like, people are talking a lot of shit about it. Oh, it says gets listed on KuCoin. Oh, no way. Bro, okay. If it's listed on KuCoin, I'm probably gonna scoop some. Yeah, man, what else they saying in the news right now? Besides, what caused Bitcoin's 10% crash? Matrix port? Jim Cramer leverage? Stablecoins can help fix the current lending market. Bitcoin ETF looks very likely. USDC stablecoin momentarily depegs to 74 cents on Binance. Woof, bro. I wish I knew that, bro. But I can't use Binance anymore anyway because I'm in Canada. Dude, I would have bought so much fucking USDC at 74 cents. Dude, I would have put like fucking 10 grand in that. 74 cents? Yeah, because I have loans out right now in stable coins, right? So like, it would be sick if I could buy USDC for 74 cents and then go pay off $2,000 worth of loans for 1,500. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Arbitrum is up, eh? Let me check it out. Let's check it out, man. Honestly, I've really gotta like log out of my account when I'm going through CMC with you guys. I used to put like some of my portfolio and shit on CMC just to kind of be able to keep track of everything because I have so many different wallets and things in different wallets. But yeah, when I click on something that I own, it kind of like comes up here how much that CMC thinks I have of it. And you can like link your wallets to it and stuff too, but I just do it manually, man. Cause yeah. And I don't put in the price I buy or sell at. I just do like I just say transfer in, transfer out. You know what I mean? So yeah. So I feel like it's, yeah. Woof, look at that, man. ARB is just, yeah. This is the year for ARB. So we went from what, $1? Circulating supply is very small compared to the total supply though, which I don't like that, but yeah, 60 cents. Or sorry, 70 cents was the cheapest you could have got it. So it's done like a 3x so far. What if we go, yeah, it's done like a 3x. I've thought about picking some up honestly, but wouldn't be right now. I'm more like right now, honestly, guys, I'm looking for things that either have not fucking moved yet, or early investment opportunities. I'm not really looking to buy shit that's already fucking done this. Or here. Yeah. I'm not looking to buy shit that's already done this, right? You know what I'm saying? Really fucking not looking to buy anything that's already did a 10, 20, 30x. Bro, look at this. So these guys, I've been hearing about these, bro. And basically you can buy a fucking dash cam and you'll get paid to like, you get fucking paid to like run, just put the dash cam in your fucking car and like the dash cam like maps shit. And I don't understand like, yeah, but their token went from 1 penny to 22 cents. Like it's just been running like mad, dude. Fucking nuts. And the dash cams are like $300 US though, bro. Literally, the market cap is still, yeah, it's almost got $100 million market cap. But also look at this, dude. Circulating supply, 450 million. Total supply, 6 billion. Max supply is 10 billion. right? So think about that, man. How much is this inflation? It's got a 20 times more supply coming into play. You know what I mean? Or sorry, 50% more. 50%? No. This is, yeah, 20 times. 20 times more. So the market cap right now is 100 million, but a fully diluted market cap at this price, to stay at this price, once the full supply is in circulation, it needs to be over $2 billion market cap. And I kind of just heard about this recently, this honey shit, but yeah, I thought it was kind of cool, but I don't really understand it. Like, why are they paying you? They're saying they're paying you to like map everything or whatever. You put this dash cam and then they keep the data from the dash cam and like do something with the data, make maps or fucking some weird shit. But yeah. But yeah, essentially right now, guys, I'm just looking for early investment opportunities and basically things that haven't really ran yet. If we get a good retrace, then I might think about like buying some more Bitcoin, ETH, more Solana, yeah, Wisdom Bank Network, whatever the fuck this is. So self-reported circulation, 333 million. Check the website. I love just looking at the new projects that get listed. Bro, this is a fucking hour. They lied to us. WBN episode 2.
My daughter-in-law shared with me, which was just fabulous, but it's true, which is the middle class is probably maybe a range from 50 grand to 150 grand or 50 grand to maybe even 200,000. We have 70% of Americans are working paycheck to paycheck. There's people making 150 grand a year that are living paycheck to paycheck. And it might be, stupid spending. It might just be cost of living.
Okay, don't need to listen to this. Tokenomics, 5% buy tax, 5% sell tax. Nope. Nope. Don't do it, guys. Don't fucking do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. This is a fucking... This just sounds like SafeMoon. Except SafeMoon had like 11%. This is... Yeah, bro. Don't do it. Done with you already. You don't even get any more of my time whatsoever. As soon as I see that tax, bro, I'm just like, nope. 3D pass. What is this? So what's our supply? 1B P3D. So apparently all tokens are in circulation. I don't know what this is though. 1 billion P3D. No idea what that is, but let's check out their website. Layer 1 blockchain platform for the tokenization of objects. Okay. Open source. That's good. Create the hash ID out of any object. Recognize your object wherever you are. Use it as a thing token or password. Leverage it with smart contracts and dApps. Enjoy biometrics. NFTs, insurance, banking, e-commerce, digital identity, recoverable crypto wallets, two-factor authentication, metaverse gaming, added reality. This is something that doesn't sound too bad, man. Yeah, I'll bookmark the website. Features. Fungible assets. Get the object share tokenize. So I understand tokenizing the asset, and yeah, if you own the token, you own the fucking asset. But my problem is like, if I say like take a painting or anything, man, they take, let's see, what I think. What did I think of, man? What if I took like my Nintendo 64 and created an NFT to represent the the ownership of the N64? Okay. Um, Now, if I sell that NFT, I'm selling the ownership of my N64, right? But who's to say that I can't just sell the NFT and then just keep the fucking thing, right? I sell it, and then send the N64. And then what if I don't send it? You know what I'm saying?
Hello everyone. Today we've got a lot of exciting information to
Oh,
possible, but the file only. Considering such design, it's not difficult to realize that the role the blockchain is playing here is so slight that it could be barely noticed with the naked eye, and it's not enough for growing demand coming from the market signaling about the lack of tools
I
for
don't like that
businesses
it's
and
not a real
blockchain players
person. Yeah.
ahead. Kinds of objects could be authenticated and tokenized. In order for users to get relevant output, on the object's recognition there is a structure being applied to the ledger of things database, which represents the list of categories of objects, such as 3D objects, 2D drawings, music, biometrics, movements, texts. It can never go beyond the category that the objects might be compared to one another. You can't compare 3D object to a piece of music. Each category has the list of standard presets of recognition algorithms, which can only be utilized as it is. The user is not allowed to leverage any different set of parameters while getting the object process to create its hashed. By means of using Pass3D, embedded recognition module, original objects can be distinguished from fake.
You can mine it. Miner, standalone 3D object generator. 3D model object, Pass 3D pool, standalone client pool, client app, 3D model object, metadata, mining pool, palette core. Yeah, I'm not sure I really understand this. Okay. Yeah, I'm really like, how do I start fucking mining it then, bro? I literally don't understand. Yeah, man, I might have to come back and take a look at this one, bro. But that really turned me off, the voice. Really, it had 300,000 volume in the past 24 hours, though. On where, though? On MEX, wow. Yeah. Volume's up 87% on it. Liquidity score. Okay, based on the slippage, higher score indicates a more liquid market. Yeah, this is not very liquid. All right, let's go back. Let's see what else we can find in the fucking dumpster. We got Buddha. 1 trillion supply. Nope. Done with you already. Hero De Niro. Already done with that. 1 billion. Fucking what is this even? Bro, Michael Saylor always fucking say stupid shit though, bro. 350,000, come on. I don't think it'll hit that. Joshua. 7. The contract is renounced. 7% of supply is treasury and locked for liquidity for 1 year. Yeah, no. It's a fucking meme coin. Botbex. Laundry. ZK Fair. $1 million. Nice. Rake coin. Nice. Hex. Yeah, it's so hard to find legitimate projects. ETF, bro. Just launch a coin and call it ETF. Oh, it's about ETF, which stands for Embrace the Fun. It's not an ordinary meme coin. Like most of the shit that you're gonna get in recently added is just garbage meme coins and stuff. Foxbet. Is this a betting? Is this a gambling site? Turbocharged sports betting on Telegram. Yeah. Interesting though. I'll wish list it or watch list it just to see what it does. We gotta keep cooking these fucking things. Yeah, man, I've spent I literally at work, I would basically start doing one, do work for 2 minutes, and then just come and click collect and then create again. And I've been playing all day at work, bro. Literally. Please confirm and check relevant notification below. 100% experimental project. ZK Fair is the first ZK rollup on Ethereum based on Polygon CDK. Only responsible for providing innovation and technical solutions, not responsible for the actions or result of it. Community driven, blah, blah, blah. 100% funding risk. You may lose 100% of your money. Fair launch. No investors, reservations, pre-mining, blah, blah, blah. Okay. I'm aware of the risk. 100% will be airdropped to the community. Claim your 0.1 mainnet USDC for free. Dude. Yeah. I'm not even gonna fuck with this, bro. But yeah, we're gonna keep dumpster diving. Oh, laundry. This is a meme coin too, for sure. Don't believe these perma bears calling for 12,000 Bitcoin. The bottom is in. Funny. is a privacy shield for your Ethereum transactions. Engineered as a unique Telegram bot, it mixes your transactions with others, erasing the direct path to your wallet. But it's more than a mixer, it's community. Logi rewards their users. Okay, so it's a mixer, eh? Interesting. Keeping crypto private, eh? So what's the point of the token, though? Well, it came out in November, and it's done pretty well. This is an interesting one, though. This is definitely an interesting one. This is one I would keep my eye on. So there's 10 million, there's only 10 million tokens. And the market cap right now, 1 million. See, there's only one fucking comment on it. Oh, okay, I see. Crowd fill. Yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on this, man. Let's see roadmap. Telegram mixer bot, initial community building, token launch, revenue share live, DG listing, CMC listing, cross-chain bot release, mixer DApp, wash and split release. So yeah, it's basically for money laundering. But that's kind of what I like about it right now. Let's check out their Twitter, yeah. I'll shoot them a follow for sure. Laundry AI. AI chatbot will be dropping the DApp next week. 1.0 will allow you to interact with the DApp chatbot to mix and bridge any crypto. 1.5 will allow you to interact with AI via Telegram bot. 2.0 will allow you to analyze token contracts, tax info, top holders, detect honeypots. 3.0 will, well, we're not going to ruin all the surprises. What the fuck? 3.0 rug pull. It's clear that some of you aren't ready for our upcoming bull run. Just one pullback, and many are already having panic attack. Yeah, this is interesting though, man. Like, I like that kind of shit, bro. Shit that allows you to, like, be secretive about what you're doing. That's why I like Monero. Because it's money that, once I pull it off the exchange, man, you can't see where it goes. You can't see how much I have. You can't see what I'm fucking doing with it. You can't see if I'm buying drugs on the dark net with it. You can't see fucking how much money I have stashed away secretly. You know what I'm saying? But I'll be right back, bro. I gotta, I'm just gonna grab my tea. Fuck, I love that tea so much, bro. I mean, 10 cents a coin. What is it? It's ERC. Probably only Uniswap, yeah. I mean, it's something I would put a little bit of money in. Just to fucking, yeah, just to take a gamble. It actually works too. And like, it's legit. Yeah. If it did get really popular though, like, they would definitely try to crack down on it. When has this fucking Twitter been around since? October 2023, so it's pretty recent. Yeah. It's interesting though, man. I like shit like that, bro. I like mixers and things that allow you to like not let people see what you're doing with your money. Because it's none of their fucking business anyway. Fuck the government, bro. Bro, like what is this? 1.5 B OMD. Max applied 2 billion OMD. What does that even mean? $1 million. Oh, $1 million. Is a means of payment of the American Company of Technological and Digital Development $1 million.com LLC and the group of companies that will be created. The token usability route includes multiple companies and development such as OMD Exchange, OMD Wallet, video games, educational social network, NFTs, metaverse, OMD blockchain. In addition, through a financial holding, import and export of metal, waste, oil, and different items will be carried up. In addition to all usability community can give you, there is a token mining program where half of the supply, 1,000 billion, will be distributed. There are 2 billion coins created on the Binance Smart Chain. Thousand billion, yeah, man, this looks sketchy as fuck, bro. It sounds sketchy as fuck. There's not even a website. Oh, yeah, there is. Okay. Let's check out the website. Yeah. Bro, yeah, man. OMD cars? What? Bro. Design a crowdfunding program where you can purchase your new 0-kilometer vehicle with a single investment of $500. Come on, bro. Yeah, bro, this just looks... yeah, no thanks, dude. Look at this, bro. Look. From 1/10 of a penny to fucking... Yeah. Woof. Yeah, I don't know about that. I'll put it in there though. I'll put it in the watch list and we'll see what happens with it. But that looks really fucking bad, dude. Breakcoin. Ah, nice. 100 billion tokens. Awesome. Another fucking rug pull. Asked me to connect my wallet right away. Oh, online sports betting casino. Why would I fucking use you when I can just use stake.com or something? You know what I mean? Like, nope. Not gonna fucking happen, dude. Yeah, not even going there, bro. Damn, this is up 2,000%. Total supply. Ugh, gross. Look at that supply, bro. Pulse chain. What the fuck is pulse chain, bro? Okay, this is not the same thing. Yeah, I don't know about this, bro. This also looks sketch. But I'll check the fucking sketchy website and see what it looks like. Bro, I don't even, yeah, when I'm dumpster diving like this, I don't have any wallets unlocked or anything. Oh, here's Hex. That's what says it's like part of this. We'll say pulse chain. Look at the fucking supply on that too. Woof. Website. X mining averages 38% returns a year. Mint your own rewards, no middlemen. Mining Hex doesn't require any hardware or electricity. Bro, this fucking just seems like bullshit. Future of finance is here. Look at those buzzwords they're using. Guys, don't be fooled, man. Don't think you're gonna buy the shit and it's the future of finance and like it's just gonna fucking infinitely go up. Like, get in, get your fucking money, make money, take money, get out. You know what I'm saying? Right? I'm gonna do this with you guys again. Now. Okay, so for Solana, I've been playing it a bit different because it's a top 5, right? Like, it's a blue chip, man. Solana is a blue chip, and it will probably run up. Solana could even do another 10x from here. You know what I'm saying? Possibly, not likely, but from here, $100, I would say 500 is not out of the question. So another 5x from it is not out of the question. But listen to me, guys. If you've been buying in the past year or, late 2022, early 2023, this is kind of when I started buying again after this. And basically everything, man, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything after FTX. After the whole FTX shit, that's when I started re-entering the market because I just figured like, man, fear is at the highest. And like, dude, use this fucking chart. Use the fear and greed chart because especially for long plays, it's good, man. When fear is at the highest, you want to be fucking buying shit, man. When everybody is scared shitless and the prices are so cheap, this is when you want to be buying. When the market's in extreme greed, that's when you want to be fucking taking money. But you're buying anywhere here. Okay? You buying shit anywhere in here. Oh, I got super lucky and picked up all of my Solana at $8. Okay? But yeah, you buying this shit anywhere in here. So say from $40 to $10 or $8. You bought it anywhere in here. Even if you bought it at 16 or 20 bucks, whatever. Even if you bought it 20 bucks, you got to think what the bottom was. Okay. But if you bought at 20 bucks, you're at a 5x right now. You had a 6x up here, but you probably didn't sell the very tip. I didn't either. I took profits at 115 and like 110. Yeah, I basically took my entry out at 115, and I should have just took my 20% at 115, but yeah, I took the 20% yesterday. So get this, you buying anywhere in here, right? Or actually, let's go back here. Let's go look at this. Let's look at 2021, and I'll use this as an example. All right, so you're buying anywhere in here, right? You bought anywhere in here, anywhere in here, anywhere here. You bought any of the shit below this green line. Okay? Now, instead of trying to be fucking Superman and buy something here, or buy it here or here, and try to fucking take it to here and think you're gonna fucking hit that top and just cash out everything, right? Instead of trying to be fucking Superman and do something that you're probably never gonna do, and if you do it, it's not gonna be all the time, okay? Instead of trying to be fucking Superman and buy at $2 and sell at $2.50. So let's say you buy anywhere back here, okay? So from $5 to $1 or whatever, $2, okay? If you buy at $5 and you see this should go up to 25 bucks, right? Even if you want to wait, but you buy at $5, if you get a 5x, 6x, 25 bucks, okay? You buy at $5. Take some fucking money out there. Even just take out your entry, right? If you buy fucking 20 here at $5 and you get a 5x, or if you buy 25 here, right? Goes up by 5 times. Take 20%, right? 25 bucks, you take 20%. It goes up some more. It goes up to 50. Take another 20%. It drops. You want to hold on to it? Sure. You can wait for a real move, right? So it's coming up. You took 20% here. You took 20% here. You have 15 left. Starts coming up again. You see it break this old high. Now it goes up to 100. Take money, right? Take another 10, 20%. Okay. You see it go up to 150. Take another 10, 20%. Right? You see it go up to 200. Take another 10, 20%. See it go up to 250. Take another 10, 20%. And even if all of these zones, you just took 10% each time. Right? So you bought 25, you sold 2.5. You sold 5. You sold 7.5. You sold 10. You sold 12.5. You sold 15, right? You see it start coming back down. If it hits your last exit, take some more money right here, right? You see it come down here. You could, really, you might take more money there. And then you see it go back up again. And then just take the rest of your money. You know what I mean? Like, you don't have to fucking try to be Superman, guys. Because if you do, if you try to fucking be Superman, bro, this is what you're going to end up doing. Or if you think you are actually investing in the future of finance and this is going to be the best fucking thing ever known to mankind, and it's going to fucking go up forever, and it's not going to fucking do what all of them do every fucking cycle, right? No, your pick is special. It's just going to keep doing this forever. Be realistic, man, right? If you are so lucky to buy something like this, and you're just like gonna fucking hold it until it goes to whatever number you fucking want it to go to. So now, instead of taking profits here, 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 you know what I mean? Now you're just gonna not take any money. You're gonna fucking hold this shit all the way up to here. And then you're gonna see it drop. And you're gonna keep holding it. You're gonna see it come back up. And you'll be like, oh, now I'll just wait for it to go back up here. And then I'll take my money. And then it's gonna come back all the way down here. And then you're like, oh, well, I'll wait for it to come back here and take my money. And then it's gonna come back all the way here. Right? And then you're just gonna be fucking stuck with it for another 3-4 years. You know what I mean? If you bought this shit here, bro, you still at a loss. Right? Whereas I bought it here, I made crazy money in the past year on this. Right? But if you bought this, it's all about timing, man. And take the fucking money when it's there. Right? So I bought this here, but because we kind of already have this move and we have some zones, this white box was my first take profit. Okay? This was the first place I planned to take money, and I took money. I took 20% plus my stake, because I've been staking it and I've earned 6-7% over the past year since I bought it. So initially I just took out my entry, basically what it cost me to enter. I took that out, and then I was left with the same amount I started with. But I figured I would take a little bit more, so I sold 20%. Now, what I'm going to do next for this, my next zone that really take money is kind of this blue box right here. But another potential zone you could take money at is right around here. 135, 140. All right. But because of the status on this, and because of its market position and how fucking big it's gotten, I'm probably not going to do that. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'm probably going to wait. Because yeah, look at this, guys. It's top 5, right? It's flipped BNB a few times, but they're still kind of competing for 4th place. So basically, my next take profit zone for this is this blue box. So basically between 170 and 195. That's the next area I plan to take money. And I'll probably take another 20 or 30% here. And basically, I'll either have half or a little bit more than half of what I started with down here. And then, with the rest of it, I'm going to wait until we hit this high or we pass it. Right? But when we see this come up, especially if we break the high and keep going, we're kind of in no man's land after that. You get what I'm saying? Like, you're kind of in discovery mode then, and you're not really gonna know where it's gonna be. And basically by that time, you're gonna be at like, if it gets to 300, you're gonna be at $120 billion market cap. Right? Right now we're at a $43 billion market cap, and we're at $100. Okay, but we're at $100 on a $43 billion market cap. So for us, to get to $300 per, we need 120, $130 billion market cap. That's half of Ethereum. That's literally half of Ethereum, which is a lot of money, man. But think about this, guys. Like, yeah, man, the total crypto market cap. So let's look at this again. All right. The last bull run, we hit a $3 trillion market cap. At the very tippy top, we hit $3 trillion. All right. The cycle before that, we hit 3/4 trillion. So a little bit more than 750 billion for the entire market cap of the entire space. Okay. So this is about 4x. So 4 times, right? So from the top of this to the top of this, we have 4 times what the market cap was. So it's not unrealistic to think that the crypto market cap on the next run could go up 5 trillion, 6 trillion, or more. Literally, it could go higher than that even. Right? And it will kind of be like, probably it'll end around here. For Bitcoin, it will probably end around there anyway. I wouldn't really expect a 4x again. Maybe we will, right? Maybe we do get a 4x from 3 trillion and it just ends up going to 12 trillion, right? But that's going to be more optimistic because you're probably not going to get that much money flowing in. Even with this ETF and all this other shit coming into play. But this area is not unreasonable. You know what I'm saying? It's not unreasonable, man. Even a 3x from this one, right? Like, even if we went a 3x, about 9 trillion. If we go to 9 trillion, like, Ethereum is probably going to be, if we get a 9 trillion, Ethereum is probably going to be 10,000. Bitcoin's probably going to be like 150, 200,000. Yeah. A lot of money will have to flow into the market for this. But if we do hit levels like that, then you could potentially see like $600, $700 Solana. Yeah. But anyways, let's look at some more of this bullshit. And Workbank emoji. Nope. Workbank already sounds fucking retarded. Oh, pardon my French. I forgot I can't say that. 420,000 trillion. What the fuck? Dude, it's not. Yeah, dude. Yeah, no. Anything with the big supplies and like their fucking passive interest just on owning it is, yeah. Long. What is this? This is on Solana. It just got listed on CMC. Long Soul VIP. Oh. That's kind of cool. You're the dragon. Okay. Open along with its roadmap chart. Let me see this. Yep, nope. Not interested. Like, yeah, man, when you're doing this dumpster dive shit, bro, yeah. You're gonna look away from 99% of the shit you look at. You really just, every 99% of the shit you look at, you're gonna take one look at and never fucking think about it again. Meme coin? Nope. Still, already don't like this. 1 trillion. Nope. Surfboard finance. Awesome. On Matic. And what exactly is it? The straighter way to your heart is always through your wallet. AI-driven portfolio management, hey? Surfboard land. 2% public launchpad, 70% public sale, 15% staking rewards, 3% airdrop, 15% development, 25% treasury, 15% private sales, 8% teams advisors, 500 million of them. Huh. This is kind of interesting. And we've got some faces here. That's always good. Real faces. Boy, you can lock up this stuff. 30 days. What is this? Total board stake. Okay, there's only 4,000 staked right now. Yeah. Or there's 180,000 staked in the 90-day one. Get a 30% fixed APR, but it doesn't really mean much, man, honestly. I'll put this one in the watch list though. So yeah, this is kind of what it means to DYOR, guys. Do your own fuck shit research. Right? Like, this is what it means to do that. Bro, this is a fucking... The market cap is... Oh, okay. $500,000 market cap right now, guys. They have a Twitter, Discord, Telegram. They have fucking bought and paid for followers. Guessing because they have like 20,000 followers and they're getting 13 likes. Oh, there's actually one thing I wanted to look at. Surfboard land. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I think of this yet, but I'll definitely look into it some more. Yeah, I'm not gonna like bore you guys with like the deep dives on shit on stream. If I find something that I really like, I will bring it up on stream once I kind of already go through it and learn about it, and once I do my research. You know what I mean? And then I'll bring it to you guys and be like, hey, I found this. Looks kind of fucking cool. Okay, market cap on this, 20 million, pretty low. Already swap. So I'm guessing it's just like yeah. It's a BRC, okay. And ERC. Um yeah, we can go check out their oh, it's a swap for Bitcoin smart contracts. Swap BRC or ERC without a layer 2 or SEX. Okay, so you can swap BRC and SRC assets on Bitcoin's network. Let's see. Let's see your fucking swap, bro. Ordinals, swap from Bitcoin to whatever the fuck this is. USDT, meme, Ordi, Punk, Test, Sats, Rios. I don't know. It looks kind of low end, bro. Really looks kind of low end. I'll bookmark it though and check it out later. Yeah, we'll see. A lot of this shit, man, I'll probably have a deeper look at it and probably just give up on it too. Let's actually take a break from this, bro, and get back into Pixel because these are done now. Thankfully. So we've got some more money to be made here. Oh, this is not... Okay, we're gonna put this here. This here. There we go. Our rainbows are done. So let's cut them bitches down. All right, we're gonna do another round of rainbows right away. That's done. It's done. And you can see how much energy that took. Right? That basically spent us for energy. But now we can go back to town. Let's actually... I might end up eating one of these loaves, actually. Because we might just need that little bit of extra energy. Oh, it seems like these just finished. Because, yeah, even just the mines take 8 energy, bro. And no clay. I haven't been getting any fucking clay from the mines. And I'm only going to get clay from the land one. So I've been thinking about getting another drill. Just to put on that land. Okay, we're going to go to Terravilla. Chicken is done. Yeah, I would like to eat one of these, to be honest. Okay, let's go put on our grain shine. Yeah, we're not going to get more energy for another 40 minutes. Yeah, 40 more minutes, and I should be able to get some more energies. So if we just wait the 40 minutes, you know what I mean? We can do a grain shine. Gonna cost us 24 grain bows, 10 cooking mix, and 3 salsa egg. But this one we can sell for like 3 something. And if you drink it, you get quite a bit of energy from it. Same with the wine, like the wine you get almost 80 energy from drinking it. Yeah, the loaves, I think the loaves are 25. Let's go have a look. Right here. We go skills here, or wait. No, this is actually not even where I wanted to go. We need actually pixels data. We go pixels data. We can go. I think it's gonna be in skill. Yeah, skills, I guess. And it's gonna be in cooking right here. So yeah, the Grumpkin loaf right here. Right. We get 24.32 for eating it. The Grumpkin pie, like this one is really not really worth it that much. Because you basically it's 44 berry you can sell it for. Or you can get 15 energy. And it's, yeah, it's almost not worth it because like even if you just sell the Grumpkins on their own, you're going to make more. But yeah, 15 energy just doesn't seem like that much. Yeah, the pies, I mean, it's 2 pop berries and a cooking mix. So this one is costing you 12 bucks to make. If you sold the pop berries, you're getting like 20 bucks. If you're getting 5 each for them, right? If you're getting 5 each for the pop berries, yeah, you can say it's about $20 for 6 energy. So 20 for 6 or 44 for 15. So this is still better, but the loaves, so you got the 2 pop berries, which you could sell for 5 each. The cooking mix is 10, so that's 20. The flour is 16, so that's 36, and then the egg is almost nothing. But yeah, basically 36 for 14.8 or 44 for 15.4, right? For 0.6 more. You might as well just eat, right? You might as well just do the loaf if you're going to eat one, in my opinion anyway. Yeah, all these barbecue sauces, I've got a quest to like make all these right now. And I haven't even attempted to start trying it yet. Because like look at the levels I need anyway to even get those recipe. You know what I mean? I gotta be level 20 to even, yeah, this is all in the 20s, right? Gonna be the hot sauce is the next thing I'm gonna unlock. After the carrot loaf. But first we need the carrot pie. So the carrot pie we can get 18 from. But again, it's 58. Right? $58. So at that point, the Grumpkin loaf is better. You're getting 24. But now let's look at wines. So, where is it? So the popberry wine, you're getting 77 energy if you drink it. So you could say, but this one you're spending quite a lot on. Spending 100 on the cooking mix. If you sold these at 5 a piece, costing you 24. Costing you 24 to make it, but if you sold them 5 a piece, you're at like 120. So then plus 100 for this, you're at like 220. So you're spending 220 for 77 energy. Right? So I think the food is more worth it. Yeah, and then the green shine ones, you're getting, yeah, 116. You're getting big energy numbers, but when you do the math, yeah, because you think about these, you sell these for 8 a pop, minimum 8. So let's do it. 8 times 24, right? And then you're gonna add 100 for the cooking mix. So you're spending 294 already. Plus the Seltsam egg. So that's like 3 of those. We'll say it's 27. Spending 319 for 116 energy, right? Or you could get, if you do the Grumpkin loaves, you go in 63 times 5. It's about the same, except the Grumpkin loaf, you're still going to get a little bit more energy out of it for the cost. That makes sense. Yeah, sorry if I'm just like going off on math, bro. Okay, we got the green shines. Boom. Alright. Did we get the slug? Can't remember. I think we did, yeah. Did we? Nope. Okay, we'll do the slug. Oh, I was just gonna say, what happened to the rest of the tabs, but they're over here. I'll do that. Yeah, you can see we're running really low on energy now. And yeah, that just spent us. We got another Seltsam egg though, which is good. One more, we can make another grain shine. But yeah, the beverage master goes up pretty quick because you get a lot of experience for it making wine for some reason. Versus like when you're doing cooking, yeah, it seems really low and slow paced. Man, I mean, I got some time left, but I almost don't want to just eat the fucking loaf just because I know if I wait like a half an hour now, if we just wait a half an hour, we'll get that energy back anyway. Oh, I can't even harvest the honey. Okay, I'm not too concerned about honey because look, basically almost have 500 honeys, so we'll just crawl our way to the fuck shit store. And basically we have to be over 2 energy to walk at a normal speed. If you're less than 2, you're gonna be moving like this. Which, I mean, it sucks, but it is what it is, you know? Okay, so maybe what I'll do is I'll just sell 15 of these. And I'll just keep one for now. Just in case I decide I want to eat one later. Yeah, look at the sap. We're getting 43 from the sap just from the store. I don't know what I can get on the P2P market, but I bet you it's more than that. I think that's all we have to sell right now. Oh no, it's not. But the other stuff we're selling, we can't sell here. So let's go over here. Oh, woof, man. Woof. Moving so slow. Okay. We're gonna see what the price. We can also look, you can go and just look at the buy, but you can also go on here and just go like, you can see Potberry wine. They're selling at $2.20 a piece. And then you can see Green Shine, $317.97 a piece. Right, or you can just go here. As you can see, this one is obviously going to be a little bit more up to date, but he's selling 36 of them at $2.19. So we're just going to undercut him. $2.18. $218.9. And we only have one. We'll list that. And then we're just going to have a quick look at the Green Shines. And we're getting 315, so we'll do 314.9 for that. Right here. 314.9. There, we got that. And then, all right, we wanted to see what the sap is selling for and the clay, just out of curiosity. Oh, woof. Bro. If you sell it at the general store, you're only getting fucking, yeah, literally 43. You get so much fucking more. Woof, dude, you're getting so much more over here. Yeah, obviously there's fucking, wow, YGG, they're selling them at $1,000 a piece. What a bunch of fucking cunts. Of course, YGG too, right? And I want to see the clay as well. So yeah, sometimes it's better to sell on the P2P market, but other things, you're either going to get the same or a little bit more from the store. And that way it's instant, right? You don't have to like wait for somebody to go and buy it from you. It's just instant. Yeah, the clay is 27.4. And like from Heidi, you're not getting that. See, this guy have a pet. Super rare, man. Barely anyone has pets. Yeah, the clay I'm only getting 8. Yeah, you see what I mean though? You're getting way more. You're getting significant more from the P2P market. The green bows, I'm getting 8 for here, right? Oh, we got our walking speed back. Yeah, if I go rainbows, you're getting 8.14. Right? Some things are not that bad, but like if we do pop berries, we get 3 at the store. And we can get 4.9 here. Which is weird because only one person is selling 12 for 4.9. Everybody else is at like 5.8 or 5.18. But yeah, as you get into like the cooking and stuff, yeah, you're not getting as much. The thing is this, you can sell this for 17, right? But it costs you 2 pop berries and a cooking mix. So technically it's costing you 12. But if you sold the pop berries, if you count the money you could get for the pop berries, it's costing you 20 to make this. And then you're getting back 17. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. But if you just went and sold it at the store, you're only going to get 7, or the pop berries, you're only getting 3 for at the store. So basically 6 and 6 plus a cooking mix is 10. It's costing you 16, right? And then you're getting 1 more from the regular store. Yeah, right now I'm trying to save up my monies so I can get blueprints and shit. Yeah, because I would really like to just being able to start putting stuff on my land. Let's go. Actually, let's just go Bitsy's kits. Or is there just blueprints? That's large luck potion. Jumbo luck potion. What is this? Adds a growth lab designed to hatch a lucky pet. Don't drink it. Yeah, but that's it for pets, eh? What do the other shoes do? Oh, 15% speed boost. God damn. Bro. 64,000, eh? The Genesis runners give you a 10%. And they were, I did see them going for 15. But yeah. Yeah, they give you a 10%. It's a pot of gold. Rare pots of gold can be found while exploring around Pixel. Redeem them at the bank for berry. Okay. Farm charms. These kind of go up and down, but they're way fucking cheaper from the P2P market than the general store. Lucky ornament going for 50. Gifting maze block. Oh yeah, you can make basically make a maze on your farm if you want with those. Cool. Bombshell, explosive, Easter basket, drill. Let's see. The drills, yeah, you're paying the same. Axe is like nothing. So yeah, the mover and remover you can get a bit cheaper. Shears. Yeah, you can get basically all the tools a little bit cheaper here in the store. I don't know what a multi-block does. It says multi-block. And they're like 2 grand. 6-slot storage chest is 24 hundo. The trash can, 12 grand, bro. Oh. I didn't realize you could sell your net. So I have one of these nets too. Okay, we're gonna go malicious indoor decor. Oh yeah, let's see what the Grumble Lantern's selling for. 17,000. Yeah, people are buying them up, man. Like, yeah, my land just came with one on it. I seen them selling for 10 grand when I first bought it. But now it's the cheapest one is 17. Which is cool. Potion table kit. Ronin chain, ape coupon, Ronin block. I don't know what the fucking ape coupon is. Oh, I see. So here we can get the queen bee, chicken. Queen bee also like a quarter of the price if you get it on the P2P market. Chicken is the same. Soil's a little bit cheaper. And the silk slug is pretty much the same or more. And all the seeds are, yeah, just way fucking more, dude. Way more. Like all the seeds that people list, they're charging more for the seed than you can sell the crop for. You know what I'm saying? It's just so fucking, it's crazy. Hey. Consumables. And you can also buy a 3-month VIP here. The other day they were like 30,000. Now they're a bit more. So let me just go. Okay, so this is the only blueprint that I can buy here, hey? Barney's Barn, PQ. Okay. All right, that's it. That's all we're doing here. popberry wine sold. So we can get that monies. Yeah, what else do we got here? Okay, I'm trying to do math. So we have 30 rainbows growing right now. Plus we have these 6. Yeah, we're gonna grow these later tonight. We should be able to get our energy in 20 minutes. Let me just restock on seeds and cooking mix. So let's just get it like 26 more cooking mix. Let's see. We will get, yeah, we'll get the other 30 of these that I wanted to get. Get 30 of those. Got 26. Okay, I've got 30 growing rainbows, so another 24. Yeah, that'll like even us out kind of. Yeah, 24 more of these, just because I already have these 6. That way, when I grow the rest of the grumpkin, yeah, just so I have an even amount and I can make the same amount of shit. Well, also, we'll just get rid of this loaf, man. Okay, we're down to 3,000 right now. Don't think I need to buy anything else. Yeah, I think I'm good for now. Yeah, I mean, we can always come back, and we will. We will come back. We're gonna go get our honey, though. Man, the grain shine didn't sell yet? Nope. Yeah, I do have quite a bit of honey, man. And like, dude, I've used a lot of it too. And look at my beekeeping. Just, it goes up fucking so painfully slow, dude. It's like one of the most painfully slow growing skills. But I think if you could do more, like if you could do more of the bees, basically if you could do more of the beekeeping at one time, you know what I'm saying? Like if you just had more beehives that you could go harvest honey from, it's gonna go up quicker, obviously. But yeah. I don't really feel like doing the maze, bro, but we'll go do the bumper grump. Just give me 2 seconds. Yeah, let me get a fresh motherfucker. All right, ready, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, woof. Woof. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Come on. Ah, bitch. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Come on, 20, 20, 20. Woof. Alright, we'll grab those. And then we'll go... I want to go to Terravilla. Because basically, I would like to go into this place. Brochure, defend game law. Join the patch patrol. Rental papers, 1x. Oh, 1x tuxedo, 1x blonde wig. What? Oh, somebody rent a tuxedo and a blonde wig. This is under construction. Popberry processor. Whatever that is. So, yeah, I can just basically get the blueprints. Yeah, and I can't. Oh, bro. Yeah, if I buy this from the fucking... I can buy this from the damn P2P market, but they're selling it for like 8 grand. So what? Yeah, it's only 500 here. So yeah, really, we just want this stuff. Don't see anything for beekeeping though. Like there's a winery, a growth lab, wood burning, stove, which I already have. So I have the stove and I have the woodwork bench on my land. So really, what I want to do first is a mine. Mine, silk slug, and then we go clean and textile mill. And then after that, we get this stuff down here. But I already have a wood burning stove in my house, which is fucking cool. But yeah, okay. Cool. So we've got about 10-15 minutes before I can go get some more energy. We've got 30 minutes for the rainbows. Oh yeah, I just unlocked the bundle of sticks. Yeah. So what is this? Literally, why? I don't understand. Like, you level up woodworking to 8, and then you get to make a bundle of the first thing you could fucking make. Right? You could. This is the first thing you can make with woodworking is a stick. So I can make a fucking bundle of sticks now after 8 levels. I can make the first thing I just made, but I can just make 12 at a time. Like, bro, I don't understand that. You know what I mean? Like, I got planks and then bundle of planks before a bundle of sticks. I don't know what kind of shit I need for, yeah, like really, when I do the mines and stuff, I don't know what kind of stuff I'll need. That's why I've kind of been saving up the bricks and everything. Should probably start saving irons too. But I have been just like turning the iron into shrapnel and selling it. The sap seems to go for quite a bit though. I've been getting a bit of the sap. Well, I just started getting it, man. I think you could get it at forestry level 5. Right? And I cut down so many trees today or last night and fucking just got like, yeah, I got all, I think today I got 3 saps. basically for cutting down every tree except for these four. The four fully grown ones right here. Yeah. But I usually just make the iron bars and then I turn it into shrapnel. And that's all I've been doing with it, just because I get like a decent bit of XP for Granger. And my Granger is almost level 9. So level 10, I'll get limestone and shrapnel. I've already have the construction powder, but I can't get the salt blocks yet. Yeah. Salt blocks can only be found on waterlands. I have one mine on a waterlands, but I can't use it yet. Yeah, and once I'm able to build the mines, I'm gonna have to, I'll probably like, I don't know. I'll probably move some of the trees and just like put all the mines on this side or something. You know what I'm saying? And then maybe I'll put the silk slugs on this side. And then the farm can be here. Yeah. But it's easy enough to just move shit around, man. But yeah, we got a lot of space still. You know what I'm saying? We have a lot of space left. Soon unlock the scarrets though, which is kind of exciting. I want to see XP gain. So for the potberry, you get 3.5 and you use 3.5 energy. The butterberries, you use 3.5 energy, but you get 4. So the potberries, you're getting 1 experience per energy. The butterberries, you're getting a little bit more. Those scarrets, yeah, scarrets are doing good. Grumpkins are good too. Look at that, you're getting 11 XP for 7.5 energy. What are watermints? Watermints are 8 energy, but you're getting 14 experience. The rainbows, not the best on the rainbows, right? 4 for 5.4, but still, you need them for flour, right? And then, yeah, Grumpkin 7.5 for 11.6. Yeah, the water mints are good though. 8 for 14. Scarrets, you're doing 8 for 14.6. So you're getting a little bit more from the scarrets too. Wow, the muck chucks are only getting 4? Yeah, muck chuck you only get 4 experience for? And it costs you 8.5 energy? Damn. But you can sell them for 49. You sell them for 49, but they cost 36. That's nuts, bro. But you got to think of it in terms of energy too. So using 8.5 energy, and you're making a minimum, let's see what they sell for. Yeah, you're getting 49, maybe a little bit more on the player P2P market. So you're only making about 13 berry on that. The water mint, you're making 12. Cost you 12, but you make 12. And you're spending 8. So yeah, you're only making, yeah, it doesn't even seem really worth it, man. What did the hot potatoes go for? 39.4. And what do they cost? The seed. Buy seed? It just says no. The fuck? Can't buy the seed? Yeah, let me see what else I have in here. Oh, I got one game ticket. Nice. Thank you. We got a couple water mints in there. We got some stuff in there. Yeah, it seems like water mints are one of the most profitable, honestly. Yeah, and really that's just what I use water mints for. It's just, I just grow them and then sell them right away. That's all I've been doing for them. Is like, yeah, it's like the only thing I just grow and sell. Everything else, like the grumpkins, the rainbows, I'm like growing it, then cooking with it, and then selling it. But we will get scarrots next. So the scarrots will spend 15 and you can only sell for 26. So you make 11 off 8 energy. So yeah, it's less profitable than water mint. You get 27.5 on the player market. So yeah, 15, 27.5. It's about the same, but you're spending more. You're spending 15 to make 12 instead of spending 12 to make 12, right? It seems like the spread on what you pay for it and what you can sell it for is a lot. Yeah, like the pop berries you can buy for 1, but you can sell them for fucking way more. Hey, what's up, bro? What? But yeah, we gotta wait like, I don't know, a couple minutes for more energy. So we'll probably just go look at some charts and shit and see what fucking... We'll go dumpster diving, have a quick look. I don't think the market's really moved much, honestly. But we can go down to the smaller time frames. I don't really think it's moved fucking much. Let's go to 4 hour. Yeah, we'll see if this V-shape recovery come into play, man, but yeah. I mean, bro, the fast move is the false move. You know what I mean? And look at that. Look at where they send this shit, bro. Literally hit the fucking zone to a T, man. $400 million in long liquidations. $400 million in long liquidations. Like, this scared the shit out of so many people, bro. Like, this is just typical market manipulation, bro. They're coming down, collecting liquidity, hitting everybody's stops. And fuck it, you know what I mean? Liquidating positions, hitting stops, collecting liquidity. Yeah. So basically, if we get this recovery, man, it could very well just be a confirmation of the next step up. But we'll have to see. I don't think we'll probably, like, yeah, we probably won't get a move with Asia. I think if we're going to get that move, it's probably not going to be until London, New York. And if it doesn't happen till London, New York, they'll probably, like, yeah, if we get to London, New York and we come up and like hit the 50, London will probably send it back down. It might even come back down here and recover the wick. You know what I mean? Yeah, because London likes to set up New York like that, bro. London really does. Like, if we come up here, tap the 50, if we get to London, New York session and we kind of don't break through the zone, through this next zone here that we're kind of creeping up towards, yeah, London might just send it back here, kind of where the 800 EMA is and the psychological low. Or London might just go and recover this wick and pin the low, and then New York will open in reverse. But yeah, we'll see, man. Or yeah, we could get something like this, like I drew out on Ethereum. Fucking M played out, man, though. didn't really play out like I was kind of anticipating, but the M played. It was just a lot more fast and aggressive than I was thinking. I was kind of expecting it to come and play around in this zone a bit and then continue down, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see, man. Who knows though, man? We're only, what? We're on the 4th hour into Hong Kong. We still got like 3 more hours in Hong Kong. 3-4 more hours. So yeah, we'll see if Hong Kong bring the fire, man. But we're kind of hitting this area right here. And ETH is kind of, yeah, we're just under the 800 day on the 1 hour. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. And like the 4 hour, man, we're still getting resistance on the 5 day. We haven't even crossed the 5 day on the 4 hour yet. But I mean, the big time frames still look good, in my opinion, right? Like, we're above the 50 day. Bitcoin just pinned the 50 day, literally to a T, man. Bitcoin just right to the 50 day. And also, how convenient that the 50 day is right where all the orders are, right? And all the liquidation points. But yeah, man, just trade carefully, guys, if you're gonna trade. Oh, weed? What do you mean weed, bro? But yeah, man. And yeah, this is basically this stupid ass fucking article. Like, in my opinion, man, like, bro, fucking retail traders don't make moves like this. You know what I mean? This move that happened this morning, this is literally, this is like a fucking $200 billion move. You think retail traders are coming to the fucking charts and making a $200 billion move like this, right? From 1.7 trillion down to 1.5 trillion. And then within 1 hour, bro, they went from 1.65 trillion to 1.5 trillion. And then the fucking hour candle closed at 1.6 trillion, right? So you went down $150 billion, and then we came back up $100 billion, right? Retail traders don't do that, bro. Only fucking big money and market makers can move price like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? Literally, dude. Literally. The news, in my opinion, the news is just the excuse for the move. You know what I mean? And this is a bullshit fucking news anyway, dude. Right? The news is just an excuse for the move. Because literally like 2-3 hours after this, we just got, after, you know, this is what, 5:53, this article came out. 400 million in long liquidations in 2 hours. And then what's next, right? So this is 5:53 a.m., 9:45 a.m. Bitcoin ETF looks very likely. Goldman Sachs eyeing Bitcoin ETF roll via BlackRock and Grayscale sources. Play a key role in being an authorized participant for BlackRock. Like, you know what I mean? The news, in my opinion, the news is the excuse for the move. Like, they're gonna fucking do these moves no matter what. But they need the news to have an excuse for it, right? But we know what's happening, man. We know what this is, bro. Right? We know what this is. They coming. This is the market maker coming for your fucking liquidity, bro. That's literally all it is. And yeah, if we get this recovery, man, yeah, happy days. It might as well just be a confirmation of the move up. And yeah, if we keep showing resistance on these EMAs and we don't break through this zone, it might be time to short. It might be time to get a short back to like 37,000 or something. Or ETH. Yeah, man. If I was going to take a short on ETH, I would take it to this zone. I have a small short on ETH, but yeah, it's more just like a hedge. Yeah, just so I can make a little bit of money off the down move. Because yeah, we knew this fucking move was coming, man. Just did not expect it to happen like that. But bro, this is how it goes, man. This is crypto, but even like fuck Solana, same shit. Same shit. Oh yeah, I was like, what the fuck are these lines? But yeah, that's from earlier when we were fucking talking charts. Yeah, Solana, same thing, bro. M formation, drop. Boom. And then recover half of that candle. Like, bro, we see it all the time, man. We know what's going on, bro. Come on, bro. We not fucking stupid. Solana didn't even make it to the 50-day. And yeah, we're still below those EMAs, the 5 and the 13 on the 1 out, or the daily, sorry. And yeah, man, like this is why I killed 20% of my Solana in this area. Just because, like, yeah, I bought cheap. I bought fuck $8, bro. So yeah, for me, even if I bought at $20, dude, I would still be taking profits in this zone. But yeah, $8. I took some money at 115, and then I took some more money at like 10. I took it last night, literally last night, like right fuck. Took some profits last night at like 107, 108. Went to sleep, woke up, and then this had happened, and we'd already recovered it before I even fully woke up. But honestly, man, like Solana, I would not be surprised if we come back to this zone whatsoever. I wouldn't be surprised if they recover this wick right here. You know what I mean? Like, look at the move on Solana, right? Look how fucking extended we are, bro. On the daily, like, yeah. We'll see though. I would really like, I wouldn't really think about buying Solana unless I saw it at $60, right? Maybe I would pick some up in here, but yeah, I might buy half of what I sold back here. But really, anything below at this green line would be the ideal time to buy if you think it's going to continue to the upside. Yeah, I wouldn't buy now unless we get confirmation that we're going to continue higher. Fucking XMR. I took a short on XMR too, and that took a gnarly drop as well. XMR barely recovered. But this is why we talk about zones, man, right? Look, where's fucking XMR hitting? Boom. Hitting the zone right here, right? Hitting the top end of the trading range. I mean, I really like XMR. I love the fucking concept. And yeah, I love the idea of just having secret money. Nobody can see what you're doing with it. Nobody can see where it's coming from, where it's going to. Yeah, I really love it, but yeah, I wouldn't really think about buying anymore until we kind of cross this white line. And yeah, they had some bad news come out a little while ago too. But look at this zone, man. Look how we fucking hit this zone, bro. Right? You come up, hit the zone. The reason why we make these lines and boxes, man, is because these are key areas for price to reverse at, right? Bitcoin. Let me just get rid of this fucking thing. Bitcoin, come up, hit the zone, right? Hit the zone, pull back right away. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. We still got a lot of work for Bitcoin, man. We still got a lot of work to put in, but I think the next bull run is going to be good. In my opinion, it's probably going to really be the last one to make good money. And the big money is not going to be made on Bitcoin or ETH. You can make good money on this stuff, but the problem with Bitcoin and ETH is we have to put so much capital at risk to make any money. Whereas the alts, we can risk a lot less capital and have significantly more percentage. You know what I mean? Like Solana, man, in the amount of time it took my Bitcoin to do 150%, my Solana did like 1500%. You know what I'm saying? But let's go get our energy because I'm already 10 minutes late to go get this fucking energy. There we go. And then we're gonna go back to our land here. Oh, fuck, man. My voice gets so sore when I talk about charts, though. Swear to God. We got 6 minutes on the grainbows, so we're gonna have to wait for those anyway. We can do some chopping, I guess. Yeah, we'll do some chopping, man. We only got 4 tree here anyway. So yeah, we'll chop these bitches down. Oh, I really don't like chopping them when they're behind the other ones. They can't see shit. We get any sap? I don't think we did. Sap's where the real money is, bro. The saps are like 20 cents a pop. I want the sap. Alright, that's all we're gonna chop. Actually, let's organize a little bit. We'll put this shit away. I don't think I really have anything else to put away. These, I'm not gonna use these anytime soon. We could do another stack of planks, I guess. Yeah, we'll put that. We still got 5 minutes on those, so we'll probably just go look at the charts a little bit more. But yeah, I fucking love this game. Honestly, man, I think this game is gonna be the Axie of the next bull run. I really think this game is gonna fucking perform well. I would say pretty much everything in it is gonna run. Like the in-game currency, the governance token, and the land plots. Like, it's probably all gonna run. Land plots have already done so fucking well, bro. Like, yeah, I wish I bought more of them. And yeah, we got no sap from those trees, unfortunately. Yeah, let's go look at the charts a bit, because yeah, we got some time for that anyway. Okay, that's enough of the news though. We're done with news, bro. We're done. Let's go dumpster diving some more. All right, block. Really high supply. Don't like it already. It's on Solana. I'm gonna guess meme coin. Decentralized currency originated from a tweet by a co-founder of Solana who playfully suggested launching block token as a joke. Yeah, bro. The block gonna build generational wealth for sure. Sky is the limit. Bro, this is what you call DYOR. This is what you call DYOR. And when you see shit like this and you hear shit like I just said, you look away and you never look at it again. You never give it another second of your time. Like, I don't fuck with the meme coins, man. I really don't. And I know there's like, it's really gambling, man. Like, the meme coins are heavy gambling, right? But hey, man, if you bought this on the second, from fuck, you'd be up 10x. Literally, you'd be up at 10x. But dude, when I see a supply like this, and you know this shit is just gonna come fucking, this shit is just gonna get rugged so hard, bro. So yeah, if you bought back here, you're laughing. And I hope you at least sold half by now. But yeah, man, it's risky shit. I played with the shit coins like 2021, and only about 3 out of probably like 10 I made money on, but 1 paid for all of it and like then some. Yeah, 1 I hit like 100x, and that was fucking great. And I sold at the right time. What's this? Then Anika. Oro collateralized stablecoin. Blah blah blah. It's on Arbitrum, which I think these. Oh yeah, I think I've already looked at this actually. Yeah, if I didn't wishlist it, it probably means I didn't like it. Dram is kind of cool, man. It's just like a stablecoin for dirhams. Yeah, we looked at this. We looked at this. Didn't even look at that because I saw the name and I just looked away instantly. This I think I was about to look at and then didn't. But I mean, it's got a fish for the fucking token, so it's probably bullshit. There's only 50 million of them. It's got $150,000 market cap, which is really fucking low. Yeah, dude, think about this. If you have $1 million flow into this thing, it's a 10x, right? That's a gamble I'd be willing to take. Oh, and it's games. Oh, woof, bro. Oh, sweet. Play for 0.1 BNB. Awesome. Players 1 of 2. Game budget 0.2 BNB. Loss insurance. Price on open. What the fuck is this, bro? Okay, we're not gonna. I'm gonna look at this though. I'm gonna look at this. I'll fucking. Yeah, it looks like complete bullshit, but I'll look at it. I'll at least watch list it so I can fucking look back in a month and be like, yeah, those guys got rugged. Or, wow, if I would have put 50 bucks in there, I would have made 5 grand. Orty Bridge? What the fuck is this? ERC. It's gonna be a bridge, I guess. To transfer BRC tokens. Nope. Yep, because I'm not gonna connect my fucking wallet, bro. Yeah. I mean, it's a bridge. It's nothing fucking special, honestly. I think Juan Bridge is probably the best bridge. Oh wow, is Solana actually down to under 100 again? I'm not surprised. Not surprised, man. Like, really, like, I'd really like to see Solana at least hit this zone before continuation to the upside. realistically, because if we keep going up from here, man, like we might just kind of come up to like 135 or something and then have a big retrace anyway. I'd rather get the retrace over with, and then because this is my next take profit for Solana, right? Basically between 170 and 195. That's my next take profit for Solana. Realistically, I could have one around 150 too. But yeah, this is honestly like, I'll probably, once we get up here, this is probably another 20%, 30% I'll take here. If I take 30% here, I'll have half of what I started with. But yeah, and then after, like, basically I wouldn't take any more profits until we kind of pass this high. And then, yeah, I would take some more money when we're up in no man's land. But on the way back down, this would be basically anything I have left. This would be the dump area for anything that's left over. Yeah, and it looks like nothing else fucking good in the woof, bro. Woof. Bro, it says it's up 220%. Oh, there you go. That took a minute to kind of kick in, hey? So 1 billion token. And Telegram bot to help users earn permanent tokens through game. Users will freely participate in easy, accessible Telegram game. Complete eligible airdrop task. Yeah. Market cap is, bro, that's not million. 117 million market cap, but then it says a fully diluted market cap is 6 million. So yeah, that doesn't fucking make any sense. That doesn't make any sense at all. Look at the website though. And trust me, like when I'm looking at these fucking websites, guys, I do not have any of my wallets even unlocked. Yeah, because some sketchy websites, like as soon as you open them, it'll just connect your wallet without you even signing. So you're better off just not to, like, don't even open your wallets. Basically everything is, if I try to get into MetaMask, I have to enter password, right? Phantom is going to be the same thing. Trust is going to be the same thing, right? But yeah, I'm not gonna look at this fucking garbage, bro. It's enough dumpster diving for one day. I think, anyway. I gave them all fucking at least 2 minutes of my time. And, like, that's a lot of bullshit. The only one that I really think... This one kind of sounded cool, but... Yeah, I don't know, man. I really don't know. The 3 pass kind of sounded cool. Box bet kind of sound a bit interesting too. Laundry is actually the one that I kind of really like the sound of, but dude, guys, I'm not endorsing any of these. Like, this is dumpster diving. This is straight up dumpster diving, and yeah, maybe 1 in every 100 you might find something that's fucking worth your time, but do your own research. A lot of this is going to be garbage. It's just really low market cap shit. If you see something that, sometimes you just get something legit and good, right? And you could hit a fucking 50x on it, but be very careful looking at this shit, man. You know what I mean? Yeah. And guys, what did we learn from these moves? What did we learn from these moves? Right? What do you learn from this? This is a box I'm selling in. There's other people that are buying in this box, right? As soon as we get up to this is my first take profit. So you got to think, there's people fucking buying in this area. Okay? I'm buying here and selling here. There's people fucking waiting till they get a confirmation of an up move. They're seeing like, oh, wow, this has done 15x. Now I'm going to buy it. And then they're going to buy it. And it's going to fucking retrace to $60 or $70. Or, you know what I mean? It might not go to $60. It really might not. It might not even come down to this box. Because this is the Wild Wild West, man. But I'm just saying, what did we learn today, guys? Don't chase green candles. Always know the risks. Right? Don't chase into these pumps, man. And if you're smart and you're buying at 16, 20, 25, 29,000 Bitcoin, right? If you're buying basically this green line or below, even if you're in this box, this purple box right here, you're buying in here and you just watch all your shit go up like this, don't let a fucking retrace to the 50-day shake you out of your positions, bro. Really. Because how many people you think had stop losses here? How many fucking people you think had, you know what I mean? How many people you think just sold their shit here because they saw this fast move down and they got scared out of it. And then they fucking sold right here. And then literally not even an hour later, it's back up here. Right? And that's basically happened to everything. You know what I mean? It happened with Ether. It happened with everything, man. But yeah. So yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. And we'll see if we get this V-shape recovery on Bitcoin. V-shape, maybe a little tattoo action. Really what we want to see, guys, is Bitcoin break through this red line right here. We want to see a breakthrough. Come back, test it for support. Continuation to the upside. But yeah, basically, if we get this V-shape recovery, man, it's almost going to be a confirmation that this move down is the start of the next leg up. But yeah, guys, I'm exhausted and I'm tired and I want to fucking go to bed. So thanks for being here. I love you.